For content creators, the AI video tools in Adobe Express and Canva are game changers. They allow you to quickly produce high-quality videos, handling editing, subtitles, and effects with ease. Here are 3 short videos from YouTube. They all get high views with the help of AI. Do you want your channel to get higher views with less effort? This video will introduce 2 AI video generation tools to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for updates. Keep watching! The first tool is Canva. It's a website with multiple storages of templates to use. To start AI video generation, you should find the video part from Canva's homepage. Click the AI part from the left side. Canva's AI video generation is based on your own elements, so you should prepare at least 3 elements to make it successful. Here, let's try as an example. Click Generate to continue. Canva's AI will automatically combine the texts and elements together and add a proper music for your video. However, the AI function in Canva is not free. You are supposed to buy the Pro version to download it. More, Canva doesn't provide AI voiceover, which makes the video seems a little plain, and users cannot get the point. The next website is Adobe Express. The AI function is free, but it's a bit different from that of Canva. It's called AI animate characters. You can choose an animate character from its storage and adjust the background and video size according to your specific needs. Then, you can record your voice or upload an audio file. The AI will do the lip sync. However, if you use the real-time voice record, Adobe Express doesn't provide voice change for more creative contents. This is when you need a voice changer software like EaseUS VoiceWave. After installation, simply choose the virtual microphone VoiceWave as your computer's default microphone. Now, you can use any character's voice to make your video content. Let's get back to Adobe Express. The AI has successfully generated the video now. To enhance the video, you can open it in Adobe Express Editor to add music and texts. Let's see how it looks like. For content creators, the AI video tools in Adobe Express and Canva are game changers. They allow you to quickly produce high-quality videos, handling editing, subtitles, and effects with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Leave your comments.